I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday, and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns there, and many of them are free, or on my Etsy site. HectaFavorites is my name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns there. Today I'm going to show you how to add frilly sleeves to the top that I made in the previous video. And this is really easy to do, so let's get started. Okay, so after you have worked the strap, you'll have ended up here. So to start making the frilly section, you're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. And you're going to continue that across the row. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. So you're going to continue that all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, making chain 5 loops. At the end of the row, you're going to turn your work and slip stitch into that very first loop. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet in the next loop. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet in the next loop. Like that, and you're going to work all the way across the row, and then each row you'll just repeat that last row like that, and you can work as many rows as you would like. And when you have your frilly sleeve finished, leave that space open in the center for the scoop neck, and leave this little section underneath the arm, and attach the strap to the tank top, but don't attach this part. You leave this part open. And that's all you need to know to be able to turn this tank top into a frilly sleeve tank top. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.